Okay, so here's how you can do a recording with Screencast-o-Matic. So first you go to screencast-o-matic.com and then you just click this start recording button. Now, if you have a PC, this should launch automatically. If you have a Mac, it'll want you to download a launcher, but then once you do it, it'll launch like this every time. And now you can see it's got these little dots around where you're going to record. You can change this size if you want to. You can drag these in. You can select full screen. There's some different preferences too. If you just want to record your webcam, you can do that. You can do both. And then now I'm down in the corner here. You can kind of pick where it goes. Or you can just record your screen. And then to record, you just press this record button right here. Counts you down. And now you're recording your screen. Then once you're done, you can pause, then you can say I'm done. And now it'll give you some options. You can save as a video file, you can upload to Screencast-o-Matic, or you can upload to YouTube. I usually just upload mine to YouTube, but if you save it as a video file, it'll save it as an MP4, and then you can save it wherever you want, upload it to Canvas, whatever you need to do. And you can watch your recording to see if you really want to keep it or not. And if you notice there, it does do a little circle around your mouse, so it's easy to follow. So if you're doing how-tos, that's really easy. Well, I hope you guys like this and that you'll check it out.